I've covered the learning and the validating stages in this journey. Let us now look at the building stage or the building step in this journey. The building stage involves building three very important things. The first thing you want to build is your product. You want to go from a prototype to a final product. The second thing you want to build is your business model. This is really where you're going to integrate product development with your business model. And business model is really how you plan to build a successful business, how you plan to make money. The third thing you want to build is the organization. If you really notice here, in the learning stage, we do not build the organization. We do not even have a structure. In the validating stage, we do not have an organization or even a business model. We're only testing and validating a minimum viable product. But in the building stage, we are building an organization. This is where the organization structure comes into being. In the learning and validating stage, a company or a business may have 3 to 5 persons maximum. That includes the founders. If you've got 2 or 3 founders, maybe 2 or 3 other persons may join the company at the learning and validating step. At the building stage, you want to have a slightly bigger team because you're also building the organization. Here you may have anything from 5 to 10 members in your team. So what are we building? We are building the product, making it fine-tuned and refined. We are building the business model, and we are building the organization structure. Now, let's look at these 3 stages here. In the learning, validating stage, what you need is some capital. And the capital you're looking here is seed or pre-seed capital. In the building stage, what you probably need is also some seed capital so that you're able to build and manufacture your product. And seed capital can be provided by angel investors. It can be provided by accelerators, by incubators. It could be provided also by friends, family, and the owners themselves. So learning and validating are really about testing your product. Building is about building your product, building your organization structure, and building your business model. And these 3 stages can be collectively called creating a product market fit. Creating a product market fit actually means you're making your product commercially viable, you're creating and developing the market, and you're creating a business model which aligns to the market. And product market fit is really a stage which is ultimately called the discovery stage. So the first 3 stages are really the stages where most businesses fail and go bust.